What's going on, YouTube? Just trying to edit a video that I shot over the weekend. However, the footage actually got corrupt somehow, and I basically lost all the footage. So, long story short, I'm working on my 92 Ford Ranger you see here in the picture. Basically, it's got almost 400,000 miles on it. I started noticing it had a raw knock last time I drove it, which was over a year ago. So I decided that I was going to finally pull it apart and take a look at it. I've never pulled the motor out of the vehicle. So just a quick, this is my 3-liter V6 block out of the Ranger, and back this up. And as you can see, I got the main bearings out there. Here's some scoring right there, material missing there. But overall, I didn't see anything too horrible on the main bearings. When I get over to the rod bearings, this is where it tends to change. Yes, I still have the wear there. Got some wearing on the backside where it meet up with the collar here. But I don't actually have it. But cylinder number 6 here, this piston actually had some damage to it. As you can see here, that area is clean. Now if you look at, say, for instance, cylinder number 3, I've got carbon buildup all over. What had happened was that piston, I actually don't have, sorry, the fan, I don't have my hat. The rod bearing on that got so thin and to work to the point that when the piston was on its upstroke, smacked the bottom side of the cylinder head. And I can actually show you. Here's my cylinder heads. As you can tell, okay, good. See how it's clean here? Got carbon, got carbon. I'll go ahead and flip this one over. I'm gonna send these out to the machine shop anyhow. But you got carbon, carbon, carbon. So there was a bunch of carbon that got knocked off. Good thing is because of how deep it sits in, the valves sit in, it didn't touch the valves. So I was able to save the heads, because it didn't actually do that much damage, if you know what I mean. It's a flat surface for the piston, so there was no major damage. However, the other thing that I saw, I'm doing this in one take, so mine, if you can tell, let me zoom in real quick. There's no hash marks. It's very fine. I mean, yes, you can see a little here, little bit, but like in some of them, like this one, you can hardly see. So, and then you come over here, and you got vertical up and down scoring from when the piston was moving back and forth. But I mean, in all that said, if one bearing failed and it caused it to smack the piston, or to smack the cylinder head with the piston, and oh, the opposite cylinder number 2, the middle one on the passenger side, it had a snapped piston ring. That was it. After 400,000 miles, the original motor, that's all that was on a very heavily abused Ranger. And I'll show you how I abused the hell out of this when I get back up and running. Go driving and all that, do some vlog videos if you guys want. But honestly, it's not that big of a deal for me. Yeah, it kind of sucks. I wish I had my truck up and running. Thought I could just slap some new parts in. I mean, I've got all the parts laid out over on my counter over there. Lost the word, but I got them all on my counter. The crankshaft, there's no scoring or pitting. Didn't spin a bearing on the crankshaft. It spun it in the connecting rod on the one where it was thin. But I'll show a picture of it, or I probably already did. But I mean, I'm just gonna clean it up and rebuild it. So look forward to that video. I'm gonna send it off to the machinist when I get some money. So stick around for that video. Other than that, try to figure out other stuff to you guys to show you guys. I do work at an auto shop, so if there's anything you guys want me to video, day in the life of a smog tech in California, whatever, doing any repairs there. I got a lot of work over there, so if that's something you guys want to do, just let me know. But other than that, short little quick video I wanted to produce. like I said, I don't have any of the footage from when I actually pulled it out, so when I put it back in, I'll definitely make sure that my memory card, because I was actually recording it not on my phone but on my GoPro, so I think the memory card kind of got fried, but order a new one, so hopefully I can start doing more on my GoPro. But other than that, I'm going to end it off here. It's late at night. Just wanted to throw that out so I can get this video uploaded and shown to you guys today. So I hope you guys like what it is. If you guys want to stick around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. But other than that, I'm going to get out of here. Peace.